This year's list, published Friday, was postponed from June in order to include people such as medical workers, fundraisers, and volunteers who played crucial roles during the first months of efforts to tackle COVID-19. Among those recognized are David Maguire, 62, from Glasgow, who repurposed his restaurant near the city's Gart Naval Hospital to provide free food to thousands of NHS workers, vulnerable people and school children. Olivia Strong, 27, from Edinburgh, who raised more than £5 million for NHS charities through her Run for Heroes 5 km challenge, said it was really special to given the same honour. Margaret Payne, 90, who climbed the height of the 731-metre mountain Suilven on her staircase to raise money for charity, receives a British Empire Medal for services to the community in Lochinver, which she said is a great honour. Mrs Payne was inspired to take on the challenge by Captain Sir Tom Moore, 100, who raised more than £33 million for the NHS by doing laps of his garden. Two workers at supermarket giant Co-op received recognition for their response to the COVID-19 crisis and efforts to keep communities fed throughout the pandemic. Liz McLean, store manager at Co-op's product store on the Isle of Arran, becomes a medalist of the Order of the British Empire, BEM, and Jean-Marie Hughes, 34, a trade improvement and response manager on Merseyside, was made a member of the Order of the British Empire, MBE. McLean was nominated for putting her store at the centre of the Isle of Arran's community response to the crisis, including working round the clock to ensure deliveries were made to hundreds of elderly and vulnerable members of the community. She helped liaise with local food banks and social services, and played an active role in the island's resilience service. Hughes, who worked closely with frontline retail workers and the Co-op's Central Support Centre, said, "It is an incredible feeling to be recognised and honoured in this way." Alison Williams, a nurse who helped patients dying with coronavirus speak with their families for the last time, receives a British Empire Medal for services to the NHS, charitable fundraising and volunteering during the pandemic. The 41-year-old, a research nurse at Edinburgh Royal Infirmary, set up her Rainbow Boxes charity at the height of the coronavirus pandemic after noticing many patients who arrived had no way of contacting loved ones. Through social media she raised tens of thousands of pounds to provide essentials to people who found themselves suddenly in hospital with COVID-19. Among those recognised in the non-COVID section of the honours list are